So a few days ago, I got an email from YouTube telling me that it's my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I was like, oh my god, how time flies. Do you know that while I was still trying and working hard to get my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours, I literally would check my calendar, check my how many days I have left, how many weeks I have left to hit my monetization requirement, because I didn't want to exceed that 365 days, which is 12 months, equivalent to 1 year. I wanted to get monetized before 1 year, so I would always keep tabs on how many months, how many weeks I've been creating content on YouTube, and so on and so forth. But immediately I got monetized, I completely stopped worrying about what's today's date and how many weeks I have left and all that. Anyway, I'm very excited because how time flies. It's 1 year already, and to think that I was able to monetize this channel in the space of 9 months, I'm really grateful. And I want to say thank you to everyone, all of you that subscribe to this channel, all of you that believes in what I create here. I really appreciate you all, because without your subscription, without you watching the videos, there is no way I would have met the requirements. Okay, so I monetized this channel in the space of 9 months, and about 3 months now I have been fully monetized, like earning from my videos on this YouTube platform. Yeah, so because I got my AdSense sometime in September, so I started seeing the results, like getting the ads earnings, seeing my video, generating some money by the towards the end of September. So I'm really grateful. So of course, as someone who started from scratch to create a channel and with 0 subscribers and zero knowledge about how YouTube works, I can really say that I've learned so much. I've gotten a lot of experience, for this first year on YouTube. I agree, there's still a lot to learn, because the learning curve never stops, the learning process never stops, as there are always new updates, new tools to learn, and new things, and new feature to understand. So it's a never-ending learning process, which I am very grateful for, because I love to learn new things. So of course, in this space of 1 year that I started my YouTube journey, I have learned so much. And of course, with my journey came a lot of trial and error. Okay, I made some mistakes, which I corrected. Some I'm still trying to correct. And one of the major things that I would say is one of my major, I wouldn't call it a mistake, but it's something that if I had another chance, I would probably do it differently. And I believe that some of you new creators will be able to learn from this. Okay, just listen to what I have to say. So then I was desperately in need of 4,000 watch hours, and of course I was interested to hear anybody that has any idea of how I can get my 4,000 watch hours faster. Okay, and of course this live streaming, race streaming is one of the tools and one of the ways a lot of creators will talk about. Okay, so without proper research, I just started streaming. So I'm not saying that live streaming is bad. Live streaming is very good, race streaming is very good, if you do it the right way, because that is one of the ways I got most of my watch hours. But the mistake I made was I was streaming content that was not related to my original niche. Okay, so if you go to my live stream tab, you will see that I streamed some animal videos few months ago, which actually went viral. Okay, I had thousands of views from those animal streams, and which is where I got majority of my 4,000 watch hours and majority of my subscribers. So now the side effect of that single act is that if you check out my long form video now, even while I'm already monetized, you can see that the views are not all that great yet. It's almost like I'm trying to build my audience now, like the actual audience I need for my actual niche. This is now when I am building it. It's almost like I have two different audience in this channel. So because the people that were watching my animal streams and all that, of course, they are not interested in my long form videos that talks about YouTube growth and all that. So that is the danger there. So it's now left for you to, do your mathematics, do your calculation, and decide for yourself, like, oh, do I just want to get the 4,000 watch hours and then start to build my audience later? Or do I want to just do everything right from the start and build my actual audience, people that really want to watch my type of content and all that? So this is something that you have to that you have to think about and then make your decision. So if I had the chance to correct that mistakes, what I would do, which I already started doing anyway. So when I was almost close to 4,000 watch hours, I realized that, okay, the audience I am building on this very particular channel are not really interested in the actual niche that I have picked for myself, which is the YouTube growth niche. So I decided, okay, instead of streaming random videos, animal streams, waterfall streams, and all that, let me just go ahead and try to stream content or topics that are related to the YouTube growth niche. So I started, correcting that mistake even before I completed my 4,000 watch hours and got monetized. So my advice to you, okay, if you find yourself in that situation and you believe that, you are just desperately in need of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, just still try and stream content that are related to your original niche, so that you don't have a divided audience on your channel, so that it will not affect your long form videos as well. Okay, so that's that. So that's basically one major thing that I would do differently if I have another chance now to start a new channel and build it from scratch. Okay, and of course there are a lot of other things I have learned, which I sometimes share in my videos. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, my name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am passionate about bringing you YouTube growth tips, YouTube updates. I share my experience practically, tell you what I'm learning, tell you the mistakes I have made, just like I am sharing now, so that you don't have to make the same mistake. But at the end of the day, we are all adults. You can do your plus and minus and make decisions for yourself. I have met creators who just say, I just want to monetize first, any which way, then I start to build from there. There are some people who think like that, but I still believe it's good for you to have an idea, for you to understand what's up before you start doing anything. And of course, one of the other greatest thing that I believe is key to where I am now on YouTube is just consistency. Because imagine if I streamed my first video, the views were not there, second video, the views were not there, assuming I gave up and disappeared. Yeah, I don't think I would be monetized by now. Okay, so with determination, focus, consistency, not giving up, okay, you are going to reach there, and you are going to monetize your channel, and you are going to start seeing your videos generate some money. I remember when I first started, when I was still struggling to get 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers, I would just say that I don't care, I just want to monetize. I just want to be able to go to my YouTube studio and check, and I see that, oh, my video have generated $1. Even if it's $1, I will be grateful. I remember how I used to talk like that. But luckily for me, it's now my reality. Like, I'm already seeing the fruits of my labor. I am very, very grateful. And this video is mainly to encourage you, inspire you, motivate you, that once you are determined, once you are focused, once you know what you want, go for it here on YouTube, because long term it will be worth it. And please also avoid anything that will give you strike violation or policy problems with YouTube. Okay, one of the things I'm very grateful for on my YouTube journey is that I have never one day experienced any monetization issue or policy issue or anything like that with YouTube. So despite the fact that I was flexible in terms of trying out things, but I was still very, very careful, and I want you to be careful as well, because imagine you build your channel to a stage and you are almost halfway through, and then one morning you wake up, you have a strike, you have a ban, you have a restriction because of one thing or the other. So it's not worth it. Okay, before you hop on any trends, do your research, ask questions, okay, watch videos relating to that very trend, and then decide for yourself. Don't be carried away to follow the crowd, because sometimes when you follow the crowd, sometimes the end is always not interesting. Okay, so anyway, I just want to say thank you. I can't believe it's already 12 months, already 1 year here. So it means that I posted my video December last. My first video was posted December last year, 2024, which I can't really remember the day now. So I'm grateful. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. I appreciate you all. So let me know in the comment section, how far gone are you with your monetization journey? And if you just got monetized, congratulations. Keep going, keep creating, and don't quit. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.